I'm Elena Korek from Blue Lakes Real Estate Group of Key Realty in Traverse City. We're here at our new listing, 7520 East Shore Road. Let's go check it out. So we're here in the living room, and one of my favorite things about this house is the windows in this living space that really let you look at the house's best feature, which is 105 feet of private frontage on East Bay. Another unique feature of the house is this cozy 3-season porch, which gives you more opportunities to look at the bay and walk right out onto the generously sized deck. We could not give you a tour of this home without finishing outside on the home's 400+ square foot deck. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Elena Korek from Key Realty in Traverse City.